I went for my morning kayak. It was very nice. Before I came back to, I was going to say home, well, to my camper home, I stopped at the visitor center. I ran out of water. Don't run out of water when you're kayaking. I know I was in water, but I mean drinking water. But anyway, while I was there, I learned that, is it manager, director, or whatever you call it, for this lake, Daisy State Park, he is going to do a sunset kayaking tour tonight. And guess what? I'm getting in on that, okay? Alright, I'm looking forward to it. Wow.
Shorts, but I am in jeans right now. So we are doing this experience for the first time ever. So we're just loving it and enjoying it. These.
Where are you headed?
So
I can't tell what I'm taking pictures of because there's sun in my, I'm seeing sunspots. Got it. Awesome.